Trends and predictions about the future of cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the delivery of IT resources on demand over the internet with pay-as-you-go. There is no need to buy, host, and maintain physical data centers and servers. Instead, you get access to technology services. These can be computing services, storage, and databases, which you can use when you need thanks to the service provider. Today, we can connect everything digitally to cloud computing. It provides a whole new world of jobs, applications, services, and platforms. We can see the future of cloud computing as a combination of cloud-based software products and on-premises compute, which will help to create hybrid IT solutions. The modified cloud is scalable and flexible, which will provide security and control over data center. One of the integral parts of cloud computing will be the organized process and a better way of processing data. According to Innovex.com, many organizations have already moved their workloads to the cloud. Now, more than 80% of large corporations are using cloud computing. This number will increase to more than 90% up to 2024. 1. Increase storage capacity. Today, data is generating in a high volume and it's difficult to store it with security. Most of the companies require a place where they can securely store their data. So many businesses are adopting cloud computing, and it has been predicted that the cloud providers will provide more data centers at a lower price as there is a large competition between them. With the help of the more in your company will be able to store the data. As cloud computing is becoming a norm, more enterprises prefer storing a larger amount of data on the cloud. The future of cloud computing leads to a massive increase in data storage capacities. Improved storage technology will attract new enterprises and vice versa. This is a mutual support dependence. There is also a chance that due to the future competition between cloud providers, they will deliver more data centers at a lower price. 2. Advanced security. Many organization executives that already implemented cloud computing to their business take security for granted. The future of cloud computing is clear when we talk about security. With more and more companies which turn to cloud computing, the issue of undeniable safety has become inevitable. Cybercriminals are always there where a large amount of data is stored. Nothing will change that, but what can be altered is reliability and security. Security compliance is a joint responsibility of all stakeholders involved in overseeing security operations in an organization through the appropriate use of resources. In 2018, the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, came into action. It means that all cloud computing providers have already started to recognize the risks and are taking measures to be GDPR compliant. 3. Internet of Things along with cloud computing. The Internet of Things is also one of the leading technology as it comes with continuous innovation in real-time data analytics and cloud computing. There are many machine-to-machine communication, data, and process occurring. We can do it easily with the help of cloud computing. The most discussed subjects during the last years are artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. On the one hand, IoT makes all of us a part of a network, allowing us to communicate with each other using any device connected to the network. Now when every device has an exit to the global network, companies encourage using IoT in every sphere of their activity, which is no surprise. IoT devices can leverage cloud computing because they offer high speed, performance, and flexibility. In addition, they offer enough storage space to keep data safe, find resources, and share information between different users in the same space. In contrast to IoT, another phenomenon is gaining popularity. IoE, Internet of Everything, is supposed to help us interact through devices connected to a specific network. This concept is constantly evolving, causing concern about data privacy and leading to the emergence of a new term, IoT security. 4. Enhanced performance of Internet. With the help of the Internet of Things, the quality of the Internet can be increased. With the help of the IoT and cloud computing, we can store data in the cloud, for further analyze and provide enhanced performance. The users expect high-quality fast-loading services and application. The network provided will be faster and the ability to receive and deliver that data will be quick. Since cloud computing is mostly aimed at business, it would be weird if we didn't see them enlarged in the near future. Along with the large development of data storage and security standards, buyers expect better and quicker connections from network providers. Consequently, this will lead to an increased desire to meet responsive and fast-loading applications and services. Those who'll catch the wave will move rapidly to oversee and overhaul their PaaS, SaaS, and websites to be more responsive and user-friendly. 5. Modular software will be priority. The size of an individual program along with the complexity is increasing regularly. This leads to the fact that cloud technology will soon require advanced system thinking. We can see software development from many angles because in the future applications will store in places other than the cloud. This application will store on different modules, on servers of different cloud service. Companies are using much software, which is yet to modify. This leads to the fact that cloud computing requires modified software, which will provide better security and facilities. This software will be more user-friendly and flexible to use. One of the major advantages of this software will be that it will save the overall cost as well as time. Companies providing services and software are also improving. This can also reduce the cost of software as placing components of the program on different storage is economical. Like and subscribe if you like the information.